What's up, fellow Greymanes? Are you itching to cheese some of those annoying boss fights? Try this Beehive Club. Keep watching and I'll show you how to get it. This crazy weapon looks harmless at first, but you'll be surprised once you start slapping it on your enemies. Just land 2 to 3 heavy attacks, then just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The bees will do the rest for you. To find this baby, just head north of the town of Hernant, just around the area of Three Saints Falls. There you'll find trees that spawn beehives. It takes a while for them to spawn, so just walk around a bit while looking up the treetops, until you start seeing them. Ready your bow and arrows and start shooting them once they appear. Now I'll be honest, this is no guaranteed drop. You'll probably run out of arrows before you find one, or if you're lucky enough, it'll drop from your 5th beehive. Just make sure to check the ground after you shoot down each one. After 3 or 100 arrows and you're finally blessed by the queen bee, pick up the club, equip it, and enjoy bonking bosses with it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.